Okay, so when I give, when I store the 3 value, then what happened? My one memory space is wasted. Okay, so in this scenario, without defining this char data type, you have to define a string data type. The string data type is called as the abstract data type. You can store one letter. When you define a string, you have to pass in a double quotation. आप एक लेटर स्टोर करो, 100 लेटर स्टोर करो, 200 लेटर स्टोर करो, so there is no need to give any kind of size. तो ऑटोमेटिक यहाँ पर मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट होता है. So that is called as your abstract data type. Okay, it includes the data type that derive from the primitive data type and have more function than the primitive data type. Okay, it contains the symbols, it contains the numbers. Okay, so that is called as the what? Your abstract data type.
सब कुछ स्टोर करता है.
हाँ, ये सब
नंबर सर्विस.
हाँ. Okay.
सर लेकिन क्या कहते हैं name होता है? Name
is a variable name. Name मतलब ये तो डाटा टाइप हो गया. एन ए क्या होता है? वेरिएबल का नेम होता है, मतलब जहां पर हम स्टोर करेंगे वैल्यू. ओके, अंकिता बुझिएला.
Yes, sir.
The keywords available in Java, keywords are called as the reserved word for a language, which express the language feature. Keyword cannot be used to name a variable and constant or classes. So Java is a case sensitive language and lot of keywords are written in the lower cases only. Okay, and some of the upper cases keyword is also present. So here it is a list of the keyword like abstract, case, constant, finally, if, int, new, public, strict fv, this, try, enum, boolean. Okay. Then variable is what? Variable is the name that refers to a memory location where some data value is stored. You can assign the different value to a variable during the program execution. Okay, so variable is a memory location where you have to store the value. So when you define a variable, first you have to define a data type, then variable name. Okay. So Java allocate the memory to each variable that you use in your program. Each variable that is used in a program must be declared first. So first you have to declare it. That is called as the word variable. Okay. First data type define करना है, then आपको variable का नाम define करना है.
Sir, it's like C and C++.
हाँ, C and C++ में जो है.
There also, if you do not declare, you cannot execute anything.
हाँ. But scripting में आपको डाटा टाइप का जरूरत नहीं होता है. You have to define a variable. Okay.
Only variable.
Only you have to define a
जो भी
variable.
नाम लिखना है लिखो और variable assign कर दो.
So while you are writing a variable name must be a meaningful. जैसे कि हम प्रोग्राम में क्या करते हैं, x, y, z जो भी है डिफाइन कर देते हैं, but it should be avoided while you are creating a real program. जब आप रियल प्रोग्राम कर रहे हो तो उस समय पर आपको ए मीनिंगफुल चीज नेम देना पड़ेगा. स्कोर स्टोर करना है, स्कोर दे सकते हो. अच्छा, स्कोर इज ए वेरिएबल, मतलब स्कोर में जब तक क्या स्टोर होगा, जो वैल्यू है वो क्या स्टोर होगा, इंटीजर होगा.
ग्रेड भी हो सकता है.
हाँ,
ग्रेड भी हो सकता है.
हाँ, मतलब बेसिकली हम इंटीजर, स्कोर मतलब इंटीजर वैल्यू स्टोर करेंगे. तो हम यहां पर सपोज स्ट्रिंग स्कोर डालेंगे, दैट मीन्स इट इज अनरिलेटेड. It is a variable, there is no problem. String score, then I pass here Amit. It is stored, it is no problem, but it is not meaningful. So while you are giving a name, okay, so as per as your concern, okay, your understanding concern, or as point of programmer concern, you give a valid name. It is not mandated, but you should follow. Then you can call as a good program. समझ में है? While you are giving a variable name, the name is a unique in a program. So in a program, the variable name must be unique. Variable name must begin with a letter or underscore. It should not be start with any word, number, any other symbol. Underscore use कर सकते हो. Suppose underscore score यहाँ पर use होगा. Okay. Don't give other symbol here. If you need a space, if you write student name, it is incorrect. If you require a space, then here you write underscore. Okay. So when you are writing underscore, that means it is a valid value. If you give a space, it is not required. Variable name should not consist of a keyword. Okay, it should not be consist of a keyword. जैसे कि आपका जावा में कीवर्ड है, स्टैटिक है, पब्लिक है, तो you cannot define as a keyword. A variable name in Java is a case sensitive. A case sensitive होता है. Suppose if you define a small x, then you cannot define as a capital X. So x equals to 5 means you can retrieve with a capital. You cannot write here capital X. If you write small x, then small x is required. Okay, so it is a way how we have to define a variable, and for defining a variable, first of all in Java, you have to define the data type, declaring a variable, declaring variable. So first you define data type, then we define variable name. Data type, then variable name. Suppose int mark, okay, then string, always define string here for storing a name, string name. So in this way you have to define a variable. It is same in other programming language. Okay, तो other programming language में भी इस तरह से define होता है. Okay, so tomorrow we'll go for how to write a Java program. Okay, तो basically क्या होता है, आप जब Java programming लिखते हो, you don't know what is actually main method, why it is used, and if I remove the main method के बदले में और कुछ नाम लिख सकते हैं कि नहीं. ओके, जो प्रोग्राम में होता है ना मेन मेथड, एंट्री पॉइंट ऑफ ए प्रोग्राम, हार्ट ऑफ ए प्रोग्राम वी कैन से. ओके, तो इसको हम दूसरा नाम से कॉल कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. व्हाई बाय डिफाइनिंग मेन मेथड नहीं होने से क्या प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा. ओके, तो एंड बेसिकली हाउ टू राइट ए प्रोग्राम इन जावा and what are the keywords actually it is used and how the program is actually running. So जो internal process है, so that's the thing we have to discuss. It is a very important session. Means ये आपको पूरा आइडिया दे देगा आपका प्रोग्राम को हो कैसे लिखना है और क्या क्या कीवर्ड्स है. Okay, so it is very interesting session will be going tomorrow. Okay, so that's much. चलो bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
बुझिएला तो पाठव अंकिता सबू.
Yes, sir. बुझेला.
Okay.